Hello, teacher and classmates. Today I want to share with you a very useful and entertaining resource that I found to be used as a teacher and as a student. And it's called Pinterest. Most people know it as a social network. However, I found it very useful if you want to use it to find materials and resources and even share materials and resources with the students when you are a teacher. I'm going to show you here, for example, where I have my account open. If I want to look for English education materials, I just go ahead and find here a lot of vocabulary, images, tips for the students and the teacher, materials that are very nice and well constructed. You could use these materials and personalize the content in order to use it with your own students and share it with them. Also, it will allow you to be organized because you can save the content in order to show all the topics that are going to be covered during the whole year, for example. Also, you can add assignments, quizzes, different types of projects that you could portray in your own Pinterest wall and share them with your students and even with the parents. So very, very nice. And also I want to show you, for example, if you want to create your own account as a teacher, you can personalize the content. You can add your personal touch to each of the resources that you're going to show. You can show here your name and the school that you work with, the topics. Everything can be used as if you were teaching online. Also, this will show the quality of the information and resources that you are using. People will be able to see these and will be able to share with other people as well. So this type of resource will allow you to use the different materials over and over again, because these are gonna be saved on your account for further reference. This is very, very effective in terms of sharing and showing information to the students. It will encourage them to use the resources online and make it more interesting. Think about it and use it for your future reference. Thank you very much.